down the perfect chicken meal plan to help you gain lean muscle, recover faster, and fuel your workouts the smart way. By the end of this everyone, I'm Dr. Sufia and welcome to Daily Tips, your go-to channel for quick science-backed health advice. From nutrition hacks to simple lifestyle changes, I'll help you stay fit, healthy, and full of energy every day. Subscribe now and start your journey to a better you. One tip at a time. If your goal is to build muscle and get stronger, then today's video is for you. Because I'm breaking down the perfect chicken meal plan to help you gain lean muscle, recover faster, and fuel your workouts the smart way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to plan your meals, how much chicken to eat, and when to eat it for maximum gains. Let's get into it. First things first. Why is chicken the #1 choice for muscle building? Simple. It's packed with high-quality protein that helps your muscles repair and grow after every workout. Just 100 grams of chicken breast gives you around 31 grams of protein with almost no carbs and very little fat. It's also rich in B vitamins, zinc and phosphorus, which help boost energy and support recovery. So if you want lean gains, chicken is your best friend. Now let's build your muscle-building chicken meal plan step by step. Meal 1, breakfast. Start your day with energy and protein. Try a chicken omelet made with egg whites, shredded chicken breast, and veggies like spinach or bell peppers. This combo jumpstarts your metabolism and gives your muscles what they need after a night of recovery. Meal 2, morning snack. Have a small serving of grilled chicken cubes with a handful of nuts or boiled eggs. This keeps your protein intake consistent and prevents muscle breakdown between meals. Meal 3, lunch. Here's where you fuel your gains. Go for grilled chicken breast with brown rice or quinoa and a side of steamed vegetables. This meal gives you a great mix of complex carbs for energy and lean protein for muscle repair. Meal 4, pre-workout snack. About 1 to 2 hours before your workout, have chicken and sweet potatoes or a chicken wrap with whole wheat bread. This combo provides slow-releasing energy so you stay strong and pumped throughout your training. Meal 5, post-workout meal. After your workout, your muscles are like a sponge. They need quick protein to recover. Go for boiled or grilled chicken breast with a small portion of white rice or a smoothie made with chicken and oats if you blend your meals. You can also add a bit of honey or banana for quick carbs that helps your muscles absorb nutrients faster. Meal 6, dinner. End your day with a light but protein-rich meal. Try baked chicken with sautéed vegetables or a chicken salad with olive oil and lemon dressing. This helps your muscles recover overnight and keeps your body in an anabolic muscle-building state. So there you have it, your chicken meal plan for muscle building. To recap, chicken gives you lean, clean protein. Spread your meals 5 to 6 times a day to keep your muscles fueled. Combine chicken with complex carbs, veggies, and healthy fats for the best results. Remember, consistency is the key. Eat smart, train hard, and your results will speak for themselves. So tell me in the comments, how do you like your chicken? Grilled, baked, or in a spicy curry? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more meal plans and fitness videos every week. Stay strong, eat clean, and I'll see you in the next one.